Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Black Rock Coffee Bar app, Coffee Rewards app, and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. The Black Rock Coffee Bar app is designed for loyal coffee drinkers who want to save time, earn rewards, and enjoy a smooth ordering experience at any Black Rock Coffee Bar location. Available on both iOS and Android, the app lets users order ahead, collect points for every purchase, and redeem rewards for free drinks and discounts. It also provides access to seasonal promotions, exclusive offers, and store locations for added convenience. The main highlight of the app is its Rock Rewards program. Users earn points with each dollar spent and can easily track progress toward free drinks. You can also customize your orders, save your favorites, and pay securely within the app, making the entire process faster and more rewarding. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate the intuitive layout, easy navigation, and fast checkout process. The loyalty rewards are generous, and the app keeps customers engaged with occasional bonus offers and seasonal specials. It's also helpful for locating nearby stores and viewing the menu before ordering. However, there are some minor issues. A few users report glitches with the reward points updating late or occasional slow load times during peak hours. The app also requires consistent internet connectivity for proper functioning, which might limit usability in low-signal areas. In summary, the Black Rock Coffee Bar app may be worth using if you're a regular Black Rock customer who values convenience, exclusive deals, and free drink rewards. However, if you rarely visit or prefer paying manually, you might not find it as essential. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.